is right around the corner. And you know what that means. New clothes! Have you already decided on what you want to wear? I was thinking a dress made out of Hello Kitty duct tape. Duct tape? Or ribbons? Well, it's unconventional, but it might be a little more comfortable than duct tape. Yeah, I like the sound of that. Sophie, the unconventional fashionista. But I still want to go and try on prom dresses and take selfies. Me too. It's my favorite thing to do this time of year. Carmen, I knew there was a reason we were best friends. What, you didn't know before now? Everyone, listen up. I am the head of the prom committee this year, which means it'll finally be done right. My vision is all about royalty. I want you all to build me a throne fit for a queen. And I think we all know who's gonna sit on the throne. I love coming to the mall. Is it just me, or is there something magical in the air? I think it's just you. Look, dresses! What do you think about this? Isn't this dress beautiful? Wow, Sophie, that is lovely. I know, right? And Carmen, you look great too. Why, thank you. Normally, I like to wear pink, but this dress just spoke to me. Thanks, Mia. That's settled. I'm buying this dress. But, Sophie, $300? Yes, but I look fabulous in it, Mom.
Sophia Darbie. Okay, let's be rational here. How many times do you plan on wearing this dress?
Mom, you only wear a prom dress once.
Then absolutely not.
But Mom!
Unless you plan on wearing that dress every day for a month, the answer is no. Sophie, you need a budget.
But Mom, I thought you and Dad made like a lot of money.
Regardless of how much money we make, Sophie, everyone has limits, including you.
I feel faint.
All right, Sophie, you can keep the dress, but that is all the money you're going to get for prom.
But Mom, I still need shoes, jewelry, makeup, photos, prom tickets.
Then return the dress and use the money to find options within your budget. The choice is up to you.
Oh, well, maybe prom will be free this year. This is perfect. We are going to have prom at the palace.
Yes, it's very nice, but isn't it expensive?
Oh, Naveen, you can't worry about little things like that.
Did you not read Sophie's book?
We will need a large crystal chandelier, maybe an ice sculpture or two.
And where would you like this throne?
I love it! Put it right over there in the center.
Okay, let's see if I can do this without getting stabbed, no?
Who is responsible for this? Me! I made it out of swords. I was going to add puppies, but I talked her out of it. I didn't think swords and puppies were a good combination. When I win prom queen, I am going to look so royal. How do you know that you're going to win? Maybe I'll win, and I'll make a new law. Every student has to have a puppy book bag. Oh, come on, as if I have any competition. Puppy power!
Anna, I just did the math, and the cost of this place plus all your decorations are going to cost thousands of dollars.
We'll just put the cost into the tickets. Each prom ticket will be $300 a piece. Make the people pay. Excuse me, coming through.
No running in the hallways.
Sorry, Miss Tremaine. Chloe, have you bought your tickets for prom yet?
No, I was heading over to the library to do that now.
Great, we can walk over there together. How much? Anna, you can't be serious. $300 is a deal for this place. Jenna, did you know about this? I probably wasn't listening. I was thinking about puppies. Oh, it's okay. That happens to me too. Don't forget to come back and buy your tickets.
Oh, wow, look at that. There's nobody in line.
Anna?
Sophie.
Why don't you let me handle this? Hey, Anna, we need to buy tickets for prom.
Great. That will be $300 each.
What?
Ah!
Anna, that is way too much. Last year, the tickets were only $40.
Yeah, well, this year, prom will actually have style. I understand if you cannot afford to go. I am sure we will manage just fine without you.
I can't believe this. I can't believe I have a dress and no prom.
Well, if you took back your dress, you would have enough to buy the ticket.
Yeah, but then I would have nothing to wear.
Worst prom ever.
Don't feel bad, Sophie. I cannot go either.
But aren't you on the prom committee? Didn't you help decorate?
Sad, but true.
Did y'all see how much they are charging for prom tickets? It's outrageous. Maybe we can have our own puppy prom, where we all get puppies and dress them up in cute little tuxedos.
Jenna, you're a genius.
What? Yay, me! We're gonna have a puppy prom?
No, not that part. But we should throw our own prom.
That sounds like a lot of work.
Well, not really. All prom is a party, right? We just need to find a space that will allow us to throw a party for next to nothing.
My cousin manages a pizza place. We can probably have it there. For just the cost of a couple of pizzas?
Perfect. So once we get the price on that, catering is done.
What about a photographer?
We can just use our cell phones and post pics on Dollstagram using hashtag Darbie Prom 2019. Photographer, check. Chloe and I will find a few decorations.
I want to help.
Yeah, me too.
You all spread the word and let everyone know there's an alternative to Anna's prom.
I just found the most perfect dress. I will be prom queen for sure.
To keep the cost down, let's just use balloons and streamers.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's Sophie and Chloe. I wonder what they are up to.
But it's still gonna cost money. Do you have any?
Where did all of your prom money go?
I donated it to the barn.
What were you gonna do for a dress?
I was just gonna find something in Grandma's attic or wear one from last year.
Aw, man. Chloe, I was counting on your money.
Sophie, I have some bad news.
What is it, Naveen?
My cousin said we need a deposit of $200.
Ah! Why?
Sophie, what is wrong?
Nothing. I'll get us the money.
Come on, Naveen. Show me the place so I know how many decorations to buy for prom.
I can't believe it. They're planning their own prom without me? As if theirs could even compare to mine. But I better not take any chances. Sophie has a bad habit of inspiring people to follow her cause. I have to make everyone think that my prom is better. Hey, cosplay kid.
Yeah?
We're having our own prom at the pizza place. Spread the word.
Great. I love pizza.
Too bad I heard that their pizza smells like old gym socks. You should come to my prom, the official prom. We will have caviar pizza.
Hey, we're having a cheaper prom over at the pizza place. Let everybody know.
He's not kidding about it being cheap. They won't even have valet parking. Great. And don't forget to tell everybody you know. See you there. Or not, because you'll be at my prom, the official prom, where I will be crowned queen.
Hey, Sophie. Back so soon? Looking for some matching shoes? No, I need to return my dress so I can use the money to throw my friends and I a prom. You're throwing your own prom? Yes, because the one at school is too expensive. So we're having a little get-together at the pizza parlor, but we need to pay for a deposit. which is the reason I have to return my dress. That is so generous. Wow, I don't think I've ever been called that before. I tell you what, how about Mia's Fresh Boutique sponsors your prom? I'll pay for your deposit and your decorations. And I get to keep my dress? As long as you tell everybody where you got it. Thank you, Mia's Fresh Boutique. And don't forget to tell them, right now we're having a sale.
Looking good, no?
Normally, I prefer gold, but I look great in anything.
Are you ready to go in?
I am sure the people are awaiting their queen.
Any day now.
Welcome to the Darbie Prom 2019!
Wow, this looks amazing.
Your queen has arrived. Wait, where is everybody at?
Carmen, you look fabulous as always. Sky, midnight blue looks beautiful on you.
Thanks, Sophie.
And Chloe, I never get tired of this dress.
Your dress looks great too.
Aw, thanks.
Don't forget to stop by Mia's Fresh Boutique.
Are you gonna do that all night?
Yes, yes I am.
Do something, let us know tonight.
We want to give a shout out to Kitty Queen. What's up?
Sophie, this is the best prom ever!
Thanks, Jade, but I kind of feel bad for Anna. She's probably sitting over there at the other prom all alone.
We could send her a puppy.
Maybe next time. But I have something else in mind. I'll be right back. Wow, Anna, this place is beautiful. And that chair is something else.
I know. What do you want?
I want to invite you to our prom. It just wouldn't be the same without everyone there.
Can I be prom queen?
No promises.
I'll take it. Can I bring my throne?
No.
Stepped in an ocean.